everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at an absolutely stunning 1970 Chevrolet Corvette. Killer car, guys. And you want to talk about a blast to drive. This thing has a 1970 LS6 454 underneath the hood. Gorgeous color combination. This is Bridgehampton blue. That's the original color, and then they put this custom white striping on, which I just love. Car is awesome. Hits the road great. It's got air, Muncie 4-speed, and just super nice car. Guys own this car for 30 plus years. The fit and finish is outstanding. It's had a complete body up restoration. Chrome and stainless is gorgeous. I mean, just beautiful paint on this car. Chrome is nice. T-top car. It also has the removable rear window. Dual chrome mirrors. That's the original leather seats in there. Just a gorgeous car. Great stance. Four-wheel disc brakes, BF Goodrich Advantage TAs all the way around it. Love the side exhaust. American Racing torque thrust wheels. Man, it's a killer car. And again, I put the date code, the casting code, the VIN. So if you're missing your matching numbers LS6 engine out of your 70 Chevelle, here it is. It's got the correct aluminum intake on it, factory exhaust manifolds, power steering, again power four-wheel disc brakes, air, aftermarket AC, it blows cold. Aluminum radiator. Pretty car right here. Love the blue. Door handles are nice. I mean, look how nice the side exhaust is. Factory black leather. Again, these are the original seats for the car. Tilt-telescopic column, power windows. Now this is not a matching numbers car, guys. 94,564. That's the actual mileage to the car. All the gauges are functional. It's got an aftermarket radio in it. Again, Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. He didn't know the mile. He said there's not a lot of miles on the Resto, but he did not know the exact mileage. Just a stock rear axle, nothing big. You can definitely cruise this car. Clean underneath. Again, it's got the removable rear window. Dash is really nice. Gauges are nice and clean. All that stuff works. Air's on, air blows cold. Great. See, the hood fits up great. Tach, all your gauges are functional. Great oil pressure. Car windows work. Fit finish back. Backup lights work. And it rocks, guys. This thing gets with the program. Radio works, blower motor works. Functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button here at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Man, that car is killer.